Good morning everyone. Please do not go right away, ha? Kaya first program, ay off after grade level, and you will be given your certificates, individual certificates. Okay? Alright, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Emery A. Rocco from grade 5 Bronze. My daughter's name is Merv from the Elks and the Sunfit. From grade 5 Bronze.
Ang vampire ice cream ng ginakaon. Ang Dracula ice cream. Ano?
Ikot ko. Ang sabi?
Karon.
Ang sabi kay ginagawa ko.
Hi, handsome.
Hindi na.